Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to replace a directional precision jet in a hot spring, Tiger River, Limelight, and Hotspot spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: small flathead screwdriver and channel locking pliers. Parts you will need: one of these parts. Step 1. Turn the jet face counterclockwise a quarter turn to remove it. Step 2. Loosen the jet with pliers and unthread the jet from the jet body. Step 3. Remove the eyeball with a flathead screwdriver. Step 4. Remove the eyeball sleeve with a flathead screwdriver. Step 5. Install the sleeve over the eyeball. Step 6. Install the eyeball and sleeve into the jet. Step 7. Thread the jet into the jet body. Step 8. Tighten the jet with pliers. Step 9. Install the jet face by turning it clockwise a quarter turn. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.